Today I'm going to show you how to make whoopie pies. Yum! To a bowl, I'm adding 125 grams of sugar, 75 grams of softened unsalted butter, and I'm using my mixer to combine the two. Now I'm adding 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all together. Gradually add 175 grams of plain flour and 50 ml of buttermilk. Keep mixing as you go. Finally, I am adding some red food coloring. I'm spooning this mixture into a piping bag. And then I'm piping out circles onto a baking tray. Perfect! These are going to taste so yummy. Don't they look great? Now we want to bake for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and this is what they look like. Now I have some icing that I'm scooping into a piping bag. Cut off the end using scissors. And now it's time to combine the two. Pipe some of the mixture into one of the pies, just like so. Add the sandwich of the other one on top and press down. And there you have it, a perfect whoopie pie. Yum! Super delicious! Today I'm going to show you how to make churro balls. That's right, they're churros, but they're balls. So let's get started. I'm adding 4 eggs to a bowl. Then I'm going to whisk them all together. Over at the hob, I'm adding 1 cup of water to a pan, along with 1/4 cup of butter, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Bring that mixture to the boil. Stir occasionally. Once it's boiling, add 1 cup of flour. Give it a good mix. It should form a dough-like substance, kind of like Play-Doh. Perfect! That is our churro mix, looking fantastic. Take the pan off the heat and slowly add the eggs. Mix as you go. This is going to make it a sticky paste, which is exactly what we want. Perfect. Looking good. Let's add the mixture to a piping bag. Now we're going to grease the bottom of a muffin tray. That's right, the bottom. This is going to create the dome around which we're going to create our churro balls. We're simply going to pipe around the bottom of the muffin tin. Cool, huh? It's that simple. And it looks really complicated, but it's not. Freeze them until they're solid. Then we're going to deep fry in some oil. Make sure you've got your parents around for this. The oil will get really hot, so be careful. Once they're golden brown, they are done. They smell delicious. Now all we need to do is coat them in cinnamon sugar. Perfect! You can fill the bowl with whatever you want, but I'm choosing to fill mine with delicious vanilla ice cream. And drizzle with chocolate sauce. Yum! Doesn't that look amazing? They look really fancy, but they're so easy to make. Churro balls. Well done, everyone.
Today we are going to be making Rudolph biscuits. They are so cute. So what you need for this is a cookie cutter, a bowl of pretzels, some Smarties, some pre-made chocolate cookie mix, and half a cup of icing. So flatten out your cookie mix and cut out a heart shape using your cookie cutter. Pop them on a baking tray and pop them in the oven. Next, we're going to cut our pretzels in half. When the cookies are just out of the oven, so still a little bit sticky, pop the pretzels into the top before the cookies harden, then let them cool on a cooling rack. Next, using the icing, stick on a red nose and 2 eyes. Use the icing to add a mouth. And there you have it, super cute Rudolph biscuits.